Hey Thunderbolt. Want a Tempest Cola?
Sure. Thanks. Wow. That's refreshing.
My solenoid grease was in the Tempest Cola. The grease from my solenoids. It was in your Tempest Cola.
Holy f***ing crap, I better pack up.
Oh my god, what the frick happened to Snurby?
He was strangled by his own wires.
God f***ing another act. Warner, you don't look so good.
Hello. You've reached the house of well-recognized talent. Please start after the
I found your new address, Thunderbolt.
Pop god. Holy that is so pop. To try blast. Everyone run, the reactor core is going to explode.
Oh, shut up. Now I'm gonna send the tactical nuke to destroy you all.
A tactical what?
The